Good morning everybody. Today we will discuss common language runtime in .NET. Common language runtime provides the facility for that .NET framework is basically known. We know that .NET provides a language independent and platform dependent development environment. So for providing the language independent environment, there is the common language runtime. This common language runtime creates such an environment that will provide the facility to work developers in any of the language they are experts in. As we can see that from the figure 1, that operating system is the layer below the .NET framework. Because we say that .NET is a platform dependent, language independent. So platform is the combination of operating system, that is Windows, and the hardware. And on top of it, the CLR works. CLR, Common Language Runtime, provides this facility of language independence by using the CTS, Common Type System. All the languages that are compatible with .NET supports the Common Type System, and all the languages having variables of that occupies the memory in a similar manner. On top of the common language runtime, .NET class library. This class library provides the namespaces and classes support. The main four classes are the system, data, IO, and security. And above that, ASP.NET is used for developing the websites, web services, and web forms, or the window forms. And the developer uses on the basis of these facilities and develops its applications by using the different languages like VB.NET, C#.NET, VC#.NET, VC++.NET, JScript.NET, and other .NET compatible languages. This is all shown in this figure 1. Now let us discuss common language runtime. The common language runtime is a layer between an application and the operating system. It creates on the CLR simplifies an application's design and reduces the amount of code developer need to write, because it provides a variety of execution services that include management, memory management, thread management, component lifetime management, and default error handling. The key benefit of the CLR is that it transparently provides these execution services to all applications, regardless of what programming language they are written in, and without any additional effort on the part of the developer. The CLR is also responsible for compiling code just before it executes. Instead of producing a binary representation of your code as traditional compilers do, .NET compilers produce a representation of your code in a language common to .NET framework, that is called Microsoft Intermediate Language. And this is the language where all the codes of any language will be converted into a common form and executed further in the .NET framework. So this creates that environment that is called language independent environment. CTS, that is the part of the CLR. This CTS is a component of the CLR and provides common set of data types, each having a common set of behaviors. In Visual Basic, for example, the string data type maps to the CTS system.string class. So this is all from my side on this topic. Thank you.